What is school for? School is for the holistic development of a child. What do you mean by holistic development? Muni School's aspirations and goal for a child.
In 1600, the England Queen Elizabeth I was the queen of that country, England, which was a part of European continent. Okay, so the head of East Indian Company, Captain Hawkins, have took permission from Queen Elizabeth I to trade in India. Okay, because at that time India was a major producer of many resources. Okay, and he was also rich in many minerals. Okay, so East India came in 1610 or 1615. He came to India. Captain Hawking and the East India Company by sea route to trade in India. Their first product or good to trade in India was spices. Okay, and in India he have took the permission for trade by Jahangir. Okay, the fourth emperor of Mughal Empire. Okay, Jahangir. For permission by telling that if they will continue trade with them, so they will got taxes. Okay, custom duties, which will provide them much more money. Okay.
So today we will learn how to multiply any digit by 11 by Vedic methods. Okay. So if you will multiply by your normal method, so it will take very much time. And in test or in paper, you don't have this time. So what we have to do is here 2, we will write 2 as it is, last digit. The last digit is 5 as it is. Then we have to plus 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Then 4 plus 3, 7. Then 3 plus 5, 8. This is your answer. Anyone have doubt?
Yeah.
Everyone understood?
Hi. We will learn today prepositions. Prepositions means the word which tells about the place where it is. Okay. For example, the book is on the table. So preposition of this sentence is what? On. The next sentence is I wake up at 7 a.m. So prepositions in that sentence is at. Okay. So prepositions we use in our daily life also. The chart is on the wall. The cat is under the table. Okay. Third class students.
See, so everyone, this is shorthand. So now we will start how to write some alphabets of the shorthand. So now P. P sound is coming some light. So P will be light. Now B. B sound is some heavy. So now it will be dark. Now is T. T is light. D is dark. Now CH sound will become ch. Okay. So now it is also light. So now after them is F. Now F will be light. Okay. F. F will be light. Its sound is coming for. Now after is V. So V will be dark. PH. H. Now is Sa. Sa is also light sound, so we will do it like this. Light. Now is Z. Z is our glass. So this is the basic alphabets of shorthand. So now repeat them five times in your copy.
So this is how you create eyes. You have to make the eyes by the shading in the eyeballs and in the eyelashes. You have to create some dark lines to create that eye. And from downside it should be dark, and from upside it should be like a line like this. So this is how you create the eyes.
Parliamentary system of Pune International School. Parliamentary system. First is their MP. MP have to go outside and collect all information, and teacher will tell them information. Then they have to say in class what is information, and they have to student have to guide their information. Student have to listen their information properly. After that, judiciary. Judiciary have to see in class there is no any fight. They have to see there is not any fight. No one is fighting. They have to see no one is fighting, or no one is doing their work. So they have to say them why are you not doing their work. MLA, when MP go downside, so MLA have to see. MLA have to maintain the class, and they have to do oath, student oath in class. Next is health minister. There is a health minister. Health minister have to check hair, dress, and who have proper dress. So they have to not do fine. They have to make a one list, and who have not proper dress, they have to do fine on them. And finance minister collect the all fines and give to ma'am. After that, ma'am give to sir. Finance minister. After finance minister, there is defense minister. Defense minister have to see everyone is finishing their lunch, and they have to see who is using abuse language, who is using rough language. They have to see.
Balance your body. This will do it properly. Sister, do it properly.
Okay, today I'm going to explain you जीवन विद्या points. This point is रोगी और शिक्षार्थी को सिर्फ और सिर्फ आज्ञा पालन से ही फायदा पहुंचता है. कैसे? See, रोगी है, अगर वो रोगी मीन्स पेशेंट है, अगर वो डॉक्टर की बात मानेगा, टाइम टू टाइम दवाई लेगा, उसकी बात मानेगा, तो वो ठीक हो सकता है. अगर वो डॉक्टर की बात नहीं मानेगा, दवाई नहीं लेगा, तो ठीक नहीं हो पाएगा. ऐसे ही शिक्षार्थी में स्टूडेंट, अगर वो टीचर तो कह रहा है उसको मानेगा, वो टीचर उसके फ्यूचर के लिए कह रहा है, फ्यूचर अच्छा हो उसका. अगर वो शिक्षार्थी अगर टीचर की बात नहीं मानता, स्टूडेंट टीचर की बात नहीं मानता, तो वो अपना फ्यूचर स्पॉइल करेगा. तो ऐसे ही रोगी और शिक्षार्थी को सिर्फ आज्ञा पालन से फायदा पहुंचता है. आज्ञा पालन मतलब कि आज्ञा का पालन करना, आज्ञा पालन से फायदा पहुंचता है.
What is learning for? A healthy life and how our activities take care of it. Acupressure Health Point.